The HyperX Alloy Origins mechanical keyboard boasts a compelling combination of features for gamers. Its aircraft-grade aluminum body feels incredibly sturdy and premium, giving the impression this keyboard can withstand serious use. The compact form factor is a welcome change from bulkier keyboards, freeing up desk space without sacrificing functionality. Plus, the detachable USB-C cable makes it easy to transport. The real star of the show, however, is the RGB lighting. It's vibrant and customizable through the HyperX Ingenuity software, allowing for a wide range of dynamic effects and personalized setups. You can even save up to 3 profiles directly to the keyboard's onboard memory. The HyperX red linear switches on this model provide a smooth, responsive key press with a satisfying tactile bump. They're rated for 80 million keystrokes, promising long-term durability. While the linear switches are great for gaming, they might not be ideal for extensive typing due to the lack of tactile feedback. The keyboard also features game mode, 100% anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover, ensuring every key press registers accurately, even during intense gameplay. The 3 adjustable keyboard angles allow you to find a comfortable typing position. While the Ingenuity software offers robust customization options, it can feel a bit overwhelming for new users. Overall, the HyperX Alloy Origins is a fantastic compact mechanical keyboard, especially for gamers seeking a responsive and customizable experience. The solid build quality, vibrant RGB lighting, and detachable cable make it a great choice for both home and on-the-go gaming.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.